The MacBook Air. It's practically synonymous with thin and light laptops. Since its iconic debut, it's been the go-to for students, professionals, and anyone who wants a capable machine in a portable package. But the latest iterations, powered by Apple's own M1 and M2 chips, have taken things to a whole new level. Today we're diving deep into the MacBook Air to see if it lives up to the hype. Is it a game changer, or is it all smoke and mirrors? Let's find out. The first thing you'll notice about the MacBook Air is its design. It's sleek, it's modern, and it screams premium. The design is not just about looks, it's about creating a seamless experience. Apple's craftsmanship is evident in the details, from the smooth aluminum chassis to the precisely engineered hinge. Every element is meticulously crafted to ensure durability and elegance. Speaking of thin and light, this laptop is incredibly portable. It's designed for those who are always on the move. Weighing in at just under 3 pounds, it's easy to carry around all day, whether you're commuting to work, hopping between coffee shops, or traveling for business. And because it's so thin, it slips easily into any backpack or messenger bag. You won't even notice it's there until you need it, making it the perfect companion for your daily adventures. Now let's talk power. The MacBook Air might be small, but it packs a serious punch thanks to Apple's M1 and M2 chips. These aren't your average laptop processors. They're built on Apple's revolutionary architecture, which combines the CPU, GPU, and other components into a single, power-efficient system. The result? Blazing fast performance and incredible battery life. Whether you're browsing the web, editing photos, or even doing some light video editing, the MacBook Air handles it all with ease. Section 4. Display and battery, a visual and mobile delight. The MacBook Air's display is another highlight. It's not just a screen, it's a window into a world of vibrant colors and sharp details. It features a stunning Retina display with sharp text, vibrant colors, and wide viewing angles. This means whether you're editing photos, watching videos, or just browsing the web, everything looks incredibly crisp and lifelike. And with True Tone technology, the screen automatically adjusts to the ambient lighting conditions, making it easy on your eyes, whether you're working indoors or out. This feature ensures that the colors remain consistent and true to life, reducing eye strain during long hours of use. But perhaps the most impressive thing about the MacBook Air is its battery life. In a world where we are constantly on the go, having a reliable battery is crucial. Apple claims up to 18 hours of battery life on a single charge, which is a game changer for those who need to work all day without interruption. And in my testing, it actually came close. Even with multiple apps open and heavy usage, the battery held up remarkably well. This means you can easily get through a full day of work or school without having to worry about finding an outlet. Whether you're in a classroom, an office, or on the move, the MacBook Air's battery life ensures you stay productive and connected. Section 5. macOS ecosystem, seamless integration, and user experience. Of course, no MacBook review would be complete without talking about macOS. Apple's desktop operating system is known for its intuitive user interface, its focus on privacy and security, and its seamless integration with other Apple devices. And because Apple controls both the hardware and software, you can expect a smooth and optimized experience. Plus, macOS receives regular software updates with new features, performance improvements, and security patches. Section 6. Conclusion: the MacBook Air, a compelling choice for many. So, is the MacBook Air worth the hype? In a word, yes. This laptop has managed to capture the hearts of many users for good reasons. It's a fantastic laptop that excels in almost every area. It's beautifully designed, incredibly portable, and surprisingly powerful. The display is gorgeous, offering vibrant colors and sharp details that make any task a pleasure. The battery life is outstanding, often lasting an entire day on a single charge, which is perfect for those who are always on the move. And macOS is a joy to use, providing a seamless and intuitive user experience. Sure, it's not perfect, it's not the most affordable laptop out there, and it might stretch your budget a bit. It might not have all the ports you need, requiring adapters for some peripherals. But for students, professionals, and anyone who values portability, performance, and ease of use, the MacBook Air is an excellent choice. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry around, and its robust performance ensures that it can handle a variety of tasks, from simple browsing to more demanding applications. The MacBook Air truly stands out as a compelling choice for many.